In order to find the focal length of the convex lens, we need a convex lens fixed on the stand, and this white sheet of paper is going to act as a screen for formation of the image of this building, which is going to act like an object. So we need to focus on this distant object and try to form the image of this object, a very distinct image of this object on this white screen. In order to ensure the formation of image, we need to adjust the position of the lens. So let's start moving the lens gradually towards the screen until a sharp, clear, distinct image of the object is formed on the screen. Gradually you can see the image is being formed. I hope you are able to see the object, the image of the object on this white screen. Now we need to find out a position where a very sharp image is formed. So obviously we need to adjust the position of the lens. Now as you can see, the image is a bit distorted, so obviously we need to again move the lens a little bit away so that a clear, sharp, distinct image of the object is formed on this white screen. Once we obtain a clear image, a sharp image on this screen, then we are going to measure the distance of this image or this screen from the lens, the convex lens. And this distance will give an estimation of the focal length of this lens. As we all know that a convex lens is able to form a sharp image of a very distant object at its focus. So obviously this method is going to give an idea of the focal length of this convex lens.